Welcome to 4365 North Bay Road here in Miami Beach. Today I'm going to take you on a tour of this spectacular property, so let's go. Surrounded by lush tropical gardens, this private oasis exudes quintessential Miami Beach living. With over 3,400 square feet, this impeccable residence features 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, plus a bonus room, and offers an array of high-quality modern finishes throughout. This well-designed floor plan is ideal for entertaining and makes for the ultimate indoor-outdoor living. Some property features include an open kitchen with custom cabinets, marble counters, Gaggenau appliances, and induction cooktop, white oak floors throughout, custom bathrooms, lots of natural light, heated saltwater pool, electric pool deck awning with an optional screened patio. This home is completely secured and has a gated driveway. This home has many unique features. Come and experience it for yourself.